Grammy-winning rapper Young Thug among the more than 24 people indicted on gang-related charges within the past 40 minutes. The district attorney's office sent us these pictures of some of the other people involved in the investigation. Young Thug, or Jeffrey Williams, is charged with conspiracy to violate the Racketeer, Influenced, and Corrupt Organizations Act and taking part in criminal street gang activity.
Prosecutors claim he created a gang 10 years ago that has connections to the National Bloods gang. CBS 46 with live team coverage on this story. We begin with Haley Mason. Haley, investigators use social media to connect the dots in this investigation.
Rick, District Attorney Fonnie Willis tells me that social media played a key role in how they prosecuted this case because so much of the evidence associated with the YSL street gang was talked about and posted about on social media and online. Everything from alleged gang activity, murders, and drug activity, all posted on social media with the gang signs and tattoos. That's leading to up to 28 arrests as outlined in this indictment. Those arrests happening last night, today, and all through this week with those members coming into this jail.
Good morning, Mr. Jeffrey Williams.
Atlanta rapper Young Thug faced a Fulton County judge today after being arrested Monday following a massive 56-count criminal indictment. The rapper did not get a bond as the courts wait on a higher judge to hear the case. Young Thug is indicted for being a part of the street gang YSL and for also violating the Racketeer, Influenced, Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO for short. Fulton County DA Fonnie Willis says several of the YSL gang members worked together to kill rival gang member Donovan Thomas outside a barbershop in 2015. The indictment says Young Thug went on social media and made videos about Thomas's murder a couple weeks after he was killed. Willis says she was glad to share the news of the indictments with Thomas's mother Monday. The indictment says Young Thug and the leader of the Sex Money Murder Gang had conversations stating, quote, sacrifices must be made and soldiers must fall in order for the war to be won.
My number one focus is targeting gangs, and there's a reason for that. They are committing conservatively 75 to 80% of all of the violent crime that we are seeing within our community.
The YSL gang members have several attempted murder charges from shootings and charges from armed robberies, illicit drugs, and they often talked about it all on social media. 3 of the members were already in the Fulton County Jail, including Christian Eppinger, who was arrested earlier this year for shooting an Atlanta officer several times during an arrest attempt. Atlanta rapper Gunna is also named in the indictment for gang violence and drug distribution charges. The Fulton County Sheriff says plans are being made right now for Gunna to be brought into the jail.
It does not matter what your notoriety is, what your fame is. If you come to Fulton County, Georgia, and you commit crimes, and certainly if those crimes are in furtherance of a street gang, that you are going to become a target and a focus of this district attorney's office.
And DA Willis says that 10 alleged members had already been arrested when this indictment came down. 3 were arrested since last night, including Young Thug, or Jeffrey Williams. She says more arrests are being made today, and a lot of others will be coming in the next week as they work tirelessly to sweep members of gangs and their associates off Atlanta streets. Reporting live outside the Fulton County Jail, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.